Hi there guys, this is Shivani here and I hope you are keeping well. So today I am going to show you my everyday makeup routine or everyday makeup. So what I start with is applying a moisturizer or an SPF because summers are almost here. So I prefer an SPF and then I follow up it with a concealer. So I'm using the Faces Blend Affinity concealer stick. Now this one is really great. It works good onto my skin and even the shade is perfect for my skin. So I've been loving it for a while until I pick on the next one. So my trick is that I put in a lot of concealer. I would not say a lot of, but I put in more concealer when compared to applying a foundation, because this is a everyday makeup look and my purpose is to conceal my dark patches. I don't have dark patches actually, but I do have different skin tone, you can say pigmentation, so I just want to hide my pigmentation, and that is why I go over with concealer and then I go over with a little bit of foundation. Now I am dabbing a little bit of foundation into my skin and again I am going to blend that out. Now the next step is to apply an eyeshadow, and I am using my Makeup Revolution blush palette for this purpose. So I'm not going with a lot of shades. I've picked the darkest one over here, so it's a little bit of pinkish and a little bit of orangish, and it looks not that accurate like the way I've told you on camera, but if you would have seen me in front, like really in person to person physically, you would have seen the pink shade of it. It looks really nice, it looks very subtle and it looks very soft as well because it's a blush color. So I just go over with it onto my eyelids in order to provide a little bit of color. And yeah, and then I am going over with my brows, so I'm going to brush them up and not do much with them, and just I wanted to make sure that they do not droop down. I just wanted to lift them up, and that is what I'm doing. Now my next step would be a really quick one, and that is to apply a liner, and there you go, I've done that. I cannot show you guys that on screen, it's really difficult. And next I am putting up my bronzer. So this is NYX matte finish bronzer, and let me be true to you guys, I have not changed my makeup from like a lot of time, and I'm thinking of buying some new things, so I'm going to show you guys that really soon. But for now I love this one and it's nice, it gives me that matte finish and bronzed look, and it's great. And the next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to use that Makeup Revolution blush palette once more, and I'm going to apply the blush. Now earlier I did not used to use a lot of blushes, but now I think it's just makes it look better. So if you want to avoid it, that's your call, but you can apply it. Now I'm touching up things with the beauty sponge so that if something is overdone, that could be corrected. And the last step is using a highlighter. Now this one is my absolute favorite. In fact, everything that I talked about was my absolute favorite, but I love putting on highlighters. So even if I'm not doing a lot of makeup, like just I'm doing a concealer or I'm just doing an eyeliner, I make sure to put on a highlighter because I love putting highlighters, they are so fun. Now that's it, that's pretty much. And the last step would be to put on a lipstick. So I am using the color bar lip color. The lip color is gingerbread, and then I am going to follow it with my Faces lip color. So I'm mixing both of them because this one is like a little dark gingerbread color bar and the other one is matte, so I just wanted to use both of those colors. And yes, that's it, this is my entire makeup look, and it's really soft and subtle, it's not too much. and I really love it, and I hope you guys would have loved it too. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down guys if you want me to do more such videos, because I would love to hear your comments. And yes, I am going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.